Google Gemini just dropped a massive update, and it completely changes the game. Today, we are looking at Google Gemini's brand new file generation feature. You can now prompt Gemini to create downloadable PDFs, Google Slides, CSV files for Excel, Word documents, and more directly from the chat. And the best part, you don't need a paid pro account to use it. This is rolling out to everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to use this feature, some incredible real-world use cases, and importantly, I'll show you the limitations and what it cannot do yet. Let's dive in. Alright, for our first test, let's start with something we all struggle with: messy handwritten notes. I've uploaded a few photos of some handwritten physics notes from an exercise book. I'm going to tell Gemini, create a PDF study guide based on my notes. Add some visual charts for better understanding. Let's see what it can do. It takes a few seconds because it's analyzing the handwriting, synthesizing the information, and actually writing the code to build the file in the background. And there it is. Notice how it didn't just spit text back at me. It actually generated an actual file card that says Study Guide PDF. Let's click on that to open the preview. Wow, look at this. It perfectly read the handwriting, formatted it into a professional document with a title page, organized the headings, and even included the mathematical formulas correctly. If we scroll down, it actually generated visual graphs for the photoelectric effect, just like I asked. You can click the download icon right here in the top right corner to save this directly to your computer. This is a massive time saver for students and teachers. But what if you're a business owner? Let's try organizing a messy brain dump. I'm pasting in a block of text that looks like it was created using voice-to-text at the end of a busy week at a tech repair shop. It's chaotic. Sales numbers, inventory alerts, and repair desk updates are all mashed together in one paragraph. I'm going to use this prompt. Take this messy brain dump and turn it into a professional one-page weekly performance report PDF. Organize the data into 3 clear sections, include a visual chart comparing the sales numbers, and give the whole PDF a clean, modern design. Let's open the file it created. This is incredibly impressive. It extracted the total revenue and put it front and center. It pulled out the exact sales numbers for accessories, smartphones, laptops, and tablets, and built a beautiful bar chart on the fly. If we scroll down to the repair desk status, it organized the numbers perfectly. It even caught a random note I left about a customer named Dave and highlighted it as an action-required item. It took a chaotic paragraph and turned it into a high-level executive report in seconds. Okay, now let's take things to the next level. What if we want Gemini to analyze data that already exists in our Google Drive and build a presentation? First, an important step. To do this, you need to make sure Gemini has access to your Google Workspace. Go to your settings, click on Extensions or Connected Apps, and make sure Google Workspace is toggled on. This allows Gemini to talk to your Gmail, Docs, and Drive. I have a Google Sheet in my Drive called Q3 Social Media Analytics with some basic performance data for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. I'm going to prompt Gemini, find my Q3 social media analytics sheet in my Drive. Write a one-page executive summary highlighting our best-performing platform and the top 3 videos. Export this as a clean, professionally formatted PDF. As you can see, it found the sheet, read the data, and built a PDF summary. But let's go further. I want to present this data to a sponsor. I'll tell Gemini, now take that same data and turn it into a 5-slide Google Slides presentation for a sponsor pitch. Use a modern, bold design. Gemini generates the slides right here in the chat. All we have to do is click Export to Slides, and it opens a brand new presentation. Look at this design. It applied a dark, modern theme. It created a chart comparing the viewership automatically. Now, because this is Google Slides, it is fully editable. If I don't like an image, I can click it, replace it, or move things around. There's even an Enhance This Slide magic wand tool at the bottom that will completely redesign the layout if you want to switch things up. And here is a pro tip for all of you Microsoft Office users. If you need this as a PowerPoint presentation, simply go up to File, Download, and select Microsoft PowerPoint. I'll explain why this is the best way to get a PowerPoint file in just a minute. Let's switch gears and look at data entry. Event planners and project managers, you will love this. I'm pasting in a terrible, messy list of event RSVPs. It's got emails mixed up with names, random dietary restrictions, and conversational text. My prompt is, take this raw, messy text of event attendees and organize it into a clean table. Include columns for first name, last name, email, and dietary needs. Generate this as a CSV file so I can import it into Excel. In seconds, Gemini gives me a file card for a CSV. Let's download it and open it right up in Microsoft Excel. Look at that. It perfectly extracted the first and last names, pulled out the emails, and categorized the dietary needs. For the people who had no restrictions listed, it smartly filled in none. This feature alone will save you hours of manual data entry. Let's look at one more educational use case to show how Gemini remembers context. I pasted an article about World War II from Wikipedia. I asked Gemini to make a study guide PDF with key terms and review questions. As expected, it gave me a perfectly formatted PDF document. But watch what happens when I chain my prompts. I'll tell it, now take those same key terms and review questions and turn them into a Google Slides presentation. Make it a flashcard style. Term on one slide, definition on the next. Because Gemini remembers the context of our conversation, it knows exactly what information to use. I export it to slides, and just like that, I have a beautifully formatted educational flashcard deck ready for a classroom. It separated the questions and answers perfectly across the slides. Now, as amazing as this update is, I promise to show you what it cannot do. It's important to know the limitations so you don't get frustrated. Watch what happens when I ask Gemini directly, create me a .pptx PowerPoint file from this data. No code, just the actual file. Instead of giving me a nice, neat file card with a download button, Gemini starts writing raw Python code. It's trying to program a script to generate a PowerPoint, or sometimes it will give you a link to a sandbox environment to download the file. But if you click that link, it usually takes you to a broken page or a Microsoft login error. The takeaway here is, currently, Gemini cannot directly export native Microsoft PowerPoint files. It natively supports Google Workspace files like Docs, Sheets, and Slides, and local files like PDFs, CSVs, and plain text. If you absolutely need a PowerPoint file, you must do what I showed you earlier. Have Gemini generate Google Slides, open the presentation, and manually download it as a PowerPoint file from the File menu. It's an easy workaround, but it's important to know. Just to push the limits, I asked Gemini to generate 20 random quotes in 20 different file formats at the same time. JSON, CSV, HTML, RTF, you name it. And incredibly, it did. It successfully generated a list of downloadable files across multiple programming and document formats. It struggled a bit with the more complex proprietary formats, but the fact that it can build all these basic files simultaneously is mind-blowing. What do you guys think of this new file generation feature? Are you going to use it for work, school, or personal projects? Let me know down in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more AI tutorials, tips, and updates.